Hello everyone, welcome back to my Instagram. Today I am going to be reviewing Tom Ford's Velvet Orchid. So if you guys want to see this perfume review, then just keep watching. So this fragrance was first released in 2014 and the perfumers behind this are Antoine and Shamila Maisanju, Jan Vasnier and Callie Specker. So let's get into the notes of this fragrance. So right at the top, you've got mandarin orange, you've got bergamot, you've also got rum and you've got honey. Then right in the middle, you've got a bunch of floral notes. So you've got your orange blossom, there is rose oil, there is orchid, there is black orchid, you've got your jasmine in there, there's heliotrope, there's hyacinth, and there's also narcissus and magnolia. And then right at the base of this fragrance, you've got labdanum, you have Peru balsam, you've also got sandalwood, vanilla, suede, and myrrh. Now what I love about this fragrance is that all of the notes in this perfume mix together so well, and it just makes it a really complex fragrance that you can't quite put your finger on it, but it smells incredible. So when you first spray this fragrance, you're going to get that rum quite intensely. It's so reminiscent of a beautiful like boozy scent, and then as it dries down, then you get all the florals that come through, and then right at the bottom then you get that vanilla that for me projects quite a bit, as well as that myrrh. This fragrance literally screams boss babes only. Okay, this is the type of fragrance that you would wear if you're going to a really high powered meeting. If you know you're going to run into your ex-boyfriend, this is what I would recommend that you wear. Also, if you're going like on a date night and you just want to be really sexy and seductive, this is the fragrance that I would recommend. It's very mysterious, it's very sexy, but at the same time it's quite bold. So it's not going to be a fragrance that is going to be for everyone, because it really makes a statement. Well, that is it for today's review. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Also, let me know down in the comments what perfumes you guys would like me to review, as well as what your favorite Tom Ford perfume is. Always remember, try before you buy, and I will see you guys all in the next one. Mwah. Bye guys.